Hi, now I will explain how to interface the network analyzer with LabVIEW. First, I will tell the software requirements: Windows operating system, anything 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the LabVIEW should be installed in your system, LabVIEW 2017 or any version that supports your OS. Then you need Measurement and Automation Explorer, that is NI Max. That should be installed in your system. Then you need another driver called NI488 for connecting your system with the network analyzer. Here I am going to connect my system with my network analyzer using GPIB USB cable. So if you use any one particular company's product, that will be better for synchronization and also compatibility issues. So I here use all NI products. So you can see I connect my National Instruments USB GPIB cable. This is connected back of the network analyzer in the GPIB point. So first I will explain what are the settings you should make in the analyzer to get accessed by the LabVIEW. So you can see in this place you are going to fix your readout coil. So these signals will be sent to the analyzer through this pin. Now first, initially, once you turn on your analyzer, just I should make this analyzer should be accessible by the system. So first press local. You can see local here. So press this. So once if you press, you can see system controller, address controller, set address. System controller is nothing but you can control the analyzer in the analyzer itself, in the system itself. And if we want to control, that is any remote control like computer or any other printer, then I should give should be addressable only. So press addressable only. You can press, see the underline below that command. So wherever the underline is there, that is in active. So you can see now I pressed addressable only. Next you have to set the address for the communication purpose. So next you can see set address. So I press set address. You can see set address. So once if you press set address, you will have two options. You can see address 4395. 4395 is the number of this network analyzer, and next one address controller, that is your system address. So you should provide two address. This system will provide you two address which you can use while communicating, that is while typing your address in the program. So first I press the analyzer address, the address of 4395. So you can see the 4395 GPIB address 17. Next I press the address of my controller. So press this controller address, you will get controller GPIB address as 21. Now after pressing both, press return. So once if you return, now this analyzer is ready to be accessed by the system. It is not fully controlled, now it is ready to access. So once it is get connected to my system, you can see a light indicator above the local button, remote indicator. This light will be in on condition if it is connected to the system. So I can communicate with the system once this light is on. Now I will show how to control from the system. So this system is connected to the controller through GPIB cable. Already I showed NI instruments cable. Now first you open NI Max, that is Measurement and Automation Explorer. So first I open NI Max. You can see here NI Max. So like this window will appear. It will take some time. So once it appears, then you can see on the left of the window, you can see My System, Device and Interface Software. So on the My System, under My System you see Device and Interface. So there you can see, once if you click this drop down button, you can see that it is searching for device. So it will search for device. Once the device is connected properly, it will, now you can see NI GPIB USB cable that what we connected is connected to the system. So now I am going through this cable, I am going to scan. Click on this and right click on this and click scan for instruments. Or I can control here. You can see once if you click here on this cable, it will show these things: interface ID, GPIB 0, national instruments, primary address, like that. So there you can see options: scan for instruments, self test, reset. So I click anything, you can use any of the option. So I right click here and I click scan for instruments. So once I can do that, you can see instrument scan completed normally. Now the scan is completed, and if you want to watch the instrument that is connected, you click the drop down button here and you can see the instrument name 4395A is connected. Now if you want to change any settings to this, you just double click and you can see the model, version, on what system, full system configurations, serial number, how it is connected, primary address already I have shown in the system, it is 70. Visa, it is connected through Visa, so some Visa address, Visa resource name, like that. Now one more thing, here the Visa is the main software which is used to communicate from system to the network analyzer. So you should check whether the Visa, that is where I am using National Instrument Visa, whether it is connected or not. So for that you go to tools, see here tools, then you can see NI Visa. So in that you can see option. So in that you can see conflict manager. Click that, you can see National Instrument Visa. So that is my preferred Visa. So now the system works perfectly. So you can close this. If it is not enabled, see you can see two buttons, enable, disable. You should choose this if it is not enabled. Now it is enabled. So I close this. Now my system is ready. That is it is connected. Now I am going to access in LabVIEW. Open LabVIEW. So it is opening the LabVIEW. I use LabVIEW 2017. In this I am going to open a blank page, that is blank front panel as well as block diagram panel. So now I have opened block panel. In this you can check tools, instrumentation. Under instrumentation you can see find instrument drivers. So I choose find instrument drivers. So you can see here left installed instrument drivers. Already I have installed Agilent 4395A, our analyzer instrument driver. So it is shown. If it is not installed, then you should install the instrument driver before coming here. So I already installed this. Now I check the connected instrument. You can see our instrument is here. So once this instrument is connected here, now I can open my instrument panel. So my front page, the front panel of the instrument, everything can be bring back to the system. So here I open. So once if I open, you can see, just I run this program. You can control using this one. That is, once if you run, you can read as well as you can write. Now the system is detected, and also I can able to control my network analyzer. Thank you.